Бима also seen it. Иди сюда, Bima. Now let's see if this dog friendly, because I also have not seen that dog before. Yes, I don't know every dog of the city. Excuse me. And this place probably become more popular. Probably there are some dogs chat for dog owners, I mean. And someone decided to leak this location, which was very private. Нет, Бима.
Расси, стоять! Расси!
Бима.
Иди сюда, малыш.
Здравствуйте.
Ой, здравствуйте. А он, наверное, слышит. Только не
Он мимо пробежал. Это вот мой прям уже это.
Запах слышит?
А, ну может, да.
У вас мальчик, девочка?
Мальчик. А у вас девочка? Вот, он лает. Ага. Bima, you're a smart dog, but you need to bark. Only non-intelligent dogs are barking. Because, you know, he actually understood this. Because when we walk in him in the city, and there are many dogs who bark in when they see other dogs, for example. And mostly it's small dogs, and every time small dogs start to bark at him, he looking at me with that face like, have you heard this? This small little dog is so stupid, he's barking at me. Oh, that's so disrespectful, very low intelligent dog. Oh my gosh. You know, like, yes, Bima, you're good that you understand that, and that's good that you're not barking at other people, yes? Sometimes he barking. I don't know why he choose at who barking, but sometimes it happens. He likes to bark at my friends when I say hi and when I say bye to them. But I want to believe that he just trying to make some noises which similar to human speech, and maybe he trying to speak that way too. But when people say bye-bye, he usually become a bit aggressive because he doesn't want people let go. He wants they stay with him and live with him because he likes other people who are friends to them, who are friends to him. He has many friends. Bima, my best friend. He likes when I touch him here. Okay, I think they walk away, so we can continue. Oh. Oh. I hope I won't faint because I haven't eaten it yet. Oh. Yeah, they are far away, so we can go and discover other places as well. I'm surprised that I decided to speak in this video during recording, because my recent tweets, which I made like vlogs outdoor, I barely speaking because in general I did not know what to say. Like, ooh, what's that mushroom? Look at this. So beautiful. And might be very dangerous. So, and besides that, I was very shy to speak in public because I'm not like super duper well experienced blogger and vlogger and YouTuber and video maker, but I will be like that soon, I hope. It's a beautiful place. Why are you running there so aggressively? Are you smell something? Ah, he remembered he can drink this water because it's actually clean. Probably I can drink this water too, but I wouldn't risk so because my belly system is very sensitive and I can get indigestion with everything. Maybe it's because of stress, like my doctor said. I'm a bit sad that with this camera I can't see what I'm really recording, because what I see most of the time is just black screen. Sometimes it appears some numbers like of timing, like time which I record. For example, for now it shows almost 20 minutes. But in general, I don't know what's on the picture, but in general probably maybe it's not that needed, because it's this kind of camera records everything around. So you can see, and what I see, you can see me in the same time, you can see left and right side. I hope I will find out how to upload this video right, so you can see it's 360 degrees, and besides that, if you have like special glasses for virtual reality, you can also walk with me, like it will looks very realistic. By the way, I found other mushroom while I was there. This one looks a bit like good one, but I'm not sure also. No, it's not. But it looks very pretty, like from painting. I know about maybe 3 kinds of mushrooms which are edible, which grows in Montenegrin forest. But I have seen only one sort of them, and it was on my last hiking. Bima having fun. Bima very happy. It's a bit scary. Bima. Bima goes crazy. He usually playing like that when some, like usually other dog running after him, and they are running right after each other with such sound, and for now there is no other dog. I'm a bit scared now. Thank you, Bima. Phantoms of dead dogs who was buried here playing with him. Nice walking. But I'm happy to see that he's happy. That's the most important thing in the world, I think. I mean, for me as a dog owner. By the way, if you have a dog, tell me please, how often you're going for such places? For dog walking in the forest, in the hiking. There is perfectly located place for some kind of barbecue, I guess, for picnic or something, because you can see there some fireplace and also a lot of trash. Once I even seen a chair here. So at this moment we have 3 ways. At first we will go there because it's shortest one. After that we will go there because it's most interesting one, at least for me as for walker. And after that we will go there. There probably will be beautiful views for you. So we will start with short one. After I will play with Bimo probably, because he looks very happy and I want to remember this moment forever. Okay. He hears other dog playing with her owner, and Bima decides to bark. Bima, you're not polite as well. You gotta keep it low. Bima, let's go. I like these vibes, I like these views. A lot of trees, a lot of greens. You know, I'm a big fan of the nature, and it's a place where I feel very good mentally. And for example, yesterday I was feeling so bad mentally. I mean, I was really very stressful. So this one walking needed for me. Oh, what's that? Stool. Nice, I want to sit on it. What do you... Seems like Bima wants to poop. Okay. Can you imagine if I was falling down now, right in Bima poop? I'm trying to find out if someone walking there or not. Nice place. I like how light goes there. Probably he doesn't want to poop, he just walking around the Christmas tree and the Christmas holiday. I don't know song actually. I hear so many sounds around and it scares me a bit. No, someone walking there. Okay, Bima pooping. Dog walking needs to catch Bima before he will notice other dog. Oh, that's bad dog. No, 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 no. No. Нельзя. Здравствуйте.
Не вижу, кто там.
Это Бима. Мы из соседнего подъезда. Здрасте. Да.
Понятно. А как вы разошлись с черным?
А мы спрятались в кустах. Тут еще и белый пушистый был. Нет, Бима нельзя лаять.
Спасибо.
Да не за что. Ты зачем лаешь?